And today needed to change a sprayer hose, but if you let this thing go, it's got a weight on it and it'll pull this back up into the deal and you'll have a tough time to get it out. So what you can do is rig the weight, rig the weight up so that it won't fall, because otherwise it'll fall and it'll pull the whole deal up and into there. So just as a temporary deal, oh gosh. See? And if you forgot, you could always push it from the bottom, but there we go. This is rigged temporarily, so I can change it, and it'll be that. Unfortunately, it did exactly what I told you. It went up inside, and it's stuck in there. And to grab it is really tough. And I probably could get it with, pair of pliers, but this real quick, easy way is just to go ahead and push up on that side that has the weight. Once you reach it down from underneath, no problem. I think it's nice and easy. Probably not something you'll need very often, but if you did, it just makes life a little easier. One of those things that can happen when you go to clean the unit. And then if it doesn't go up all the way, just make sure that it's not positioned somewhere where it's hanging up underneath the thing. It just, obviously we set that one there kind of on purpose. But now it's all fixed up. Done deal. Nice and easy. One of those things.